Welcome to Home of Math. Our question: x square minus 5x divide x minus 1 divide x square minus 25 divide x square plus x minus 20 times x square plus x minus 2 divide x square minus 2x minus 3 minus 8. So these fractions we will simplify. So first, here is x square minus 5x divide x minus 1. This one here we can take common x minus 5 divide x minus 1 divide, look, here is x square minus 25 we can write like 5 square. So x square minus 5 square, it means x plus 5 times x minus 5, and this expression we can simplify by middle term factor. So here we can write x square plus 5x minus 4x minus 20. Why? Because 5 times 4 means 20 and 5x minus 4x means x, times here is also same thing, x square plus 2x minus x minus 2. 2 times 1 means 2 and 2x minus x means plus x, and here is x square. Here we can write minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. Why? Because 4 times 2 means 8 and minus 4x plus 2x means minus 2x. So here x minus 5 divide x minus 1. These divide till we can keep. So here is x plus 5 times x minus 5, and here we can take common x. So x plus 5 minus 4 x plus 5, right, times x plus 2 and minus 1 common x plus 2, and here is x minus 4 plus 2 common, again x minus 4. X times x minus 5 divide x minus 1 divide, here is x plus 5 times x minus 5, and here we can take common x plus 5. So here is x minus 4 times x plus 2, and here is x minus 1 x minus 4 x plus 2. Okay, so here we can out something like x plus 5 we can out, x plus 2 we can out. So here is x minus 5 divide x minus 1. This division sign we can write product sign. So x minus 4 become numerator and x minus 5 become denominator, times here is x minus 1 divide x minus 4. Now we are checking something we can out, like x minus 5 x minus 5, x minus 4 x minus 4, x minus 1 and x minus 7. The answer only x. Okay, interesting. Big fractions become only x. So this is our question answer for today's video. Next video we will simplify these kinds of some fractions. Thank you.